I have been making this oat cake for breakfast for years. It is healthy, simple, and always comes out soft. And it is sweet enough without any added sugar. Let me show you how to make it. To make this healthy oat cake, start by adding 130 grams of rolled oats to a mixing bowl, then pour in 160 milliliters of hot water. Stir it well with a spatula so all the oats get wet and you do not see any dry patches. Let it sit and soak for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, add 150 grams of unflavored, full-fat Greek yogurt to the soaked oats. Mix it in well until the mixture looks creamy and even, with no big streaks of yogurt. Use your spatula to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl so everything gets mixed in properly. Next, in a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs. While I am cracking the eggs, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss my other easy and delicious oat bakes. Next, add 60 grams of erythritol sweetener to the eggs. Then, add the egg mixture to the rest of the cake batter and mix it in well with your spatula. Keep mixing until the batter looks smooth and even, with no streaks of egg left. Scrape down the sides and the bottom of the bowl so everything gets combined. Next, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the batter. You can also use coconut oil instead. Mix again until the batter looks glossy and the oil is fully mixed in. Next, roughly chop 60 grams of walnuts. I have made this oat cake with pecans before, and I've tried hazelnuts too, and both were really good. Next, add 150 grams of dried plums. If your package says prunes, it is the same thing, so do not worry about the name. If you cannot find dried plums, raisins work well, and dates or dried apricots are great too. Just use the same amount. Now, add the plums and nuts to the cake batter and mix until they are spread through the batter. Next, add 40 grams of almond flour, a pinch of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then mix until everything is combined and the batter looks smooth. Next, take a 9x4-inch loaf pan. Grease it with butter or oil, or line it with parchment paper so you can lift the oat cake out easily later. Then, scoop the cake batter into the prepared loaf pan. Use a spatula to scrape the bowl so you get it all in there. Because this cake batter is quite thick, use the back of your spoon or spatula to press it into the corners and smooth out the top. It does not have to be perfect. Just aim for an even layer so it bakes nicely. I also like to sprinkle some almond flakes on top for a little crunch and a pretty finish. Just scatter them over the batter in an even layer. Bake the oat cake in a preheated oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes until the top of the cake is golden brown and your kitchen smells absolutely amazing. Let the oat cake cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before you remove it from the pan so it does not fall apart when you turn it out. This oat cake comes out soft and moist, kind of like baked oatmeal, but more cake-like when you slice it. The dried plums make it naturally sweet and give it a deeper, fruity flavor, so it still feels like a treat even without added sugar. Then you get little crunchy bites from the walnuts, which is my favorite part. It is cozy, just sweet enough, and perfect for breakfast with coffee or tea. If you liked this healthy breakfast oat cake, you have to try my other healthy oat bake too. All you need is oats, an apple, and a carrot, and it comes out sweet and soft with lots of cozy cinnamon. Check it out now!